Welcome home. I'm Michael LaRosa, Realtor with the Plowman team, and today we're going to tour this charming bungalow for sale located in Oshawa at 1451 Bala Drive. Let's go take a look. And as we step inside, we're welcomed with this large open living room with a huge bay window offering tons of natural sunlight. And next we'll step into the kitchen. And as we step into this spacious kitchen, you'll notice there's enough room for a breakfast table here, as well as this separate entrance which leads directly to the basement, and you could easily block it off with some walls. And as we walk backwards, you'll see the bedrooms and the bathroom, and then we can step downstairs to check out the finished basement. And the finished basement features this huge rec room as well as 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. As we step into the backyard, you'll notice this huge deck which is perfect for entertaining in the summers, as well as this very spacious yard. Thank you for touring this charming home for sale located in Oshawa. If you'd like to have an exclusive tour, call the number above, and to stay up to date on all of our latest homes for sale, subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss anything.